Have you ever heard of an AI that can code itself? Help programmers code. To be precise, it's like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Large language models, such as ChatGPT-4, Bard and Copilot, are making huge strides in the world of programming. With their ability to perform language-based tasks and even control other digital tools, they're revolutionizing the way we build software. Sure, they have their limitations and concerns, but with the right approach, we can shape the future of programming with these incredible technologies. And even though some criticize them for generating incorrect code, for a programmer, quick and easily correctable code is just another name for good code. So, let's embrace the potential of LLMs and see where they can take us. Imagine a future where software is built not by human hands, but by artificial intelligence. That future is closer than you think. Thanks to large language models, LLMs, like ChatGPT-4, Bard, Bing, and Copilot, these incredible AI systems can perform a wide range of language-based tasks, including code generation. While some criticize LLMs for generating incorrect code, a programmer argues that this close enough code is just another name for good code. And the potential of LLMs goes far beyond generating code. They could revolutionize the way software is built by controlling other digital tools, paving the way for more efficient and creative problem solving. Of course, LLMs come with their limitations and risks, and responsible use is important. But with LLMs leading the charge, the future of software development is looking very exciting indeed. Here is an example. HTTP get API products, then products equals greater than if validate products opening curly bracket this.sns enq else fail invalid products closing curly bracket. If you autocomplete Copilot after writing the comment above, it might very well come up with HTTP get API products, then products equals greater than if validator check products opening curly bracket const SNS equals new SNS this topic SNS enq products else throw exception invalid products closing curly bracket. Have you ever spent hours writing code only to realize that you made a silly mistake that took forever to debug? Well, imagine if you could write code in just 10 minutes that would have taken you 2 hours before. Sure, it used a new method called validate products. Sure, it wasn't the method you were used to, but the time it saved is incredible. And the best part? It also allows close feedback loops faster and creates software in a way that I never thought was possible before. So what are the methodology, thinking changes that would help embrace LLMs? Revolutionary news alert. Brace yourselves for a groundbreaking change in the way we approach writing documentation for APIs. We're shifting gears and taking a whole new approach that will make it easier for large language models, LLMs, to understand and interact with our APIs. We'll ditch the outdated formal languages like UML, ODL, SOAP, Swagger, and JSON schema, and opt for a simpler, clearer approach with READMEs that offer a brief overview and usage examples. But that's not all. With LLMs, we'll create code and tools that transform boring comments into articulate paragraphs, and generate examples and documentation faster than we can say, please. This means that we no longer need to waste time writing tedious data munching or API wrapping code manually. Instead, we can focus on our new role as writers and editors of stellar documentation. But wait, there's more. With this new approach, critical code reviewing becomes the new programming for juniors. We're embracing this change and striving to make our documentation better than ever. So, join us in this exciting journey and let's make a significant impact together. Are you tired of staring at your screen for hours on end, typing out boring code? Well, hold on to your seats, because we have a game-changing solution for you. Say goodbye to tedious typing with ChatGPT. This cutting-edge technology allows you to build prototypes effortlessly and quickly generate fully runnable examples in the language of your choice. But that's not all. You can take your prototype and transform it into a command line application, a unit test suite, a simple web UI, and much more. Plus, with LLMs, you can explore different options and architectures without anyone blaming you for your experiments. This revolutionary feature means you can try out different approaches until you find the perfect one, without endless debates with colleagues about which way to go. With ChatGPT, you can now write code at the speed of your mouth. Fundamentals are the building blocks of any successful project. Don't rely too heavily on language models to solve problems without understanding the basics. Abstraction is powerful, but it can cause friction if poorly fitted. LLMs can help you shape fuzzy abstractions, but controlling them requires a solid grasp of the problem. Offline documentation and books can provide that foundation. With real knowledge, you can ask the right questions and have productive sessions. Don't underestimate the importance of prompt engineering when working with LLMs. It's a crucial skill for getting the most out of them. Stick with what you know, and the LLMs will follow suit. Have you ever wished for a way to get instant feedback on your code without the hassle of a formal review process? Look no further than the continuous code review with language models. These powerful models can watch you build software, infer your intent, and provide feedback on your approach. They can even flag typos, security mistakes, and non-idiomatic uses of APIs. Despite initial concerns about poor code quality, these models have become incredibly efficient, thanks to their training corpus and scrutiny. With language models, it's easier than ever to write complex linters that check for domain-specific patterns. It's probably faster to instruct the LLM linter than to properly configure curly brace behavior. So don't be afraid to embrace the power of language models for continuous code review. Working with LLMs like Copilot and ChatGPT has revolutionized the way we work, leading to increased productivity and, most importantly, improved cognitive well-being. By taking care of the mundane tasks, our brains are free to focus on the big picture, leading to more high-level thinking and creativity. This shift has had a profound impact on our mental health, eliminating the exhaustion that comes with days spent on minutiae. Now, final thoughts: picture yourself as a developer trying to keep up with the fast-paced world of coding. You're constantly looking for ways to improve your productivity and efficiency. That's where AI-generated code comes in. It's like having a robot assistant to help you handle exceptions and troubleshoot non-obvious bugs. And the best part? It can also introduce you to new APIs and best practices, improving your skills and capabilities. With well-documented, pilot, compliant code and even unit tests generated for you, AI-generated code can be the solid foundation you need to build reliable and maintainable software solutions. Buckle up, because the AI revolution is upon us. Vin Vashishta, a prominent figure in the AI community, couldn't have said it better. AI-generated code is going to change the game for data science. It's not about replacing humans, but rather augmenting their abilities with the superpowers of AI. And just when you thought it couldn't get any cooler, the pace of innovation is only accelerating. In just 6 months, we'll be blown away by what AI can do next. Who knows what Breakthroughs and discoveries are right around the corner? The future is looking brighter and more exciting than ever before.